Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should already have Python 3 and an editor. Now start by choosing a method. If you want a quick solution, import re and prepare your string. Use re. Sub to target digits, re. Sub r\d plus, text. Once done, print the result to confirm removal. Make sure to keep a copy of the original string for comparison. This first step removes sequences of digits, which covers many everyday cases efficiently and with minimal code. Now implement the detailed removal. Import re and choose your pattern. Use re. Sub r\d, text to strip every digit or re. Sub r\d plus, text to remove whole numbers at once. If you need Unicode-aware matching digits in other scripts, use the regex module and \pnd. Once done, trim whitespace with strip or normalize spacing with join text. Split. Make sure to test multiple input examples so you catch edge cases like numbers inside words. Complete the task by validating outputs and handling edge cases. If performance matters, use text. Translate SDR. Macatrans 01234567889, which is fast and simple. Once done, rerun tests including empty strings, numeric-only inputs, and strings with punctuation. If results look wrong, make sure your pattern isn't escaped or that hidden Unicode digits aren't present. Use ORD to inspect characters. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.